Pinkfong. Hoi, hoi. Hoi, hoi. Subscribe.
Pinkfong Car Town. Where should we go today? Let's go!
Scaredy Cat Yellow Bus. Good morning! The yellow bus is going to give some friends a ride today. Let's go!
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Oh, it's Baby Shark! Hi, Baby Shark! Baby Shark goes do-do-do-do, do-do-do-do, do-do-do-do. Baby Shark goes do-do-do-do, all through the town. It's Red Dinosaur Rex. Come on in. Rex on the bus goes stomp, 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 stomp. Rex on the bus goes stomp, 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 all through the town.
Our friends like the yellow bus, and the yellow bus likes to drive around with friends. But...
Oh. Ow! Why did you suddenly stop, Yellow Bus? Oh, I thought I saw a monster, but it was a small rock. Sorry.
The yellow bus is the biggest scaredy cat in town and is startled by the smallest things.
Yellow Bus, if you get scared so easily, your friends riding in the back could get hurt. I know. I'm sorry. From now on, I'll be brave and won't get scared.
Will the yellow bus be able to drive without getting scared? The yellow bus is happily giving friends a ride through town again today. Oh, it's suddenly rainy and very windy.
Where are we? I think we came a little too far. Let's go back.
The yellow bus looks a little scared. The bus is trembling, burr, 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 burr. The bus is trembling, burr, 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 tremble, tremble.
We need to cross this bridge to get back to town. Will you be okay, Yellow Bus? Let's go together slowly. It's too high. No, I can do this. Slowly, slowly, slowly.
The yellow bus bravely crosses the bridge. The yellow bus goes over the bridge, nice and slow, nice and slow.
Wait, I think the bridge is wobbling. I'm going to cross quickly.
The yellow bus is suddenly going really fast. The bus goes faster, vroom, 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 vroom. The bus goes faster, vroom, 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 faster, faster.
It's too fast!
Slow down, Yellow Bus! Save me!
The yellow bus drove very fast and bumped into an oncoming bus. The bus is falling down, bump and crash, bump and crash, bump and crash. The bus is falling down, bump and crash, bump, thud and crash. The yellow bus fell into the mud under the bridge. Oh no, the yellow bus is dirty now.
Where did all my friends go?
Yellow Bus, are you okay?
Ah! Zombies! Save me! Help! Save me! There are zombies!
Huh? What's all this noise about?
A police car appeared after hearing the Yellow Bus's screams.
What's wrong, Yellow Bus?
Mr. Police Car, zombies are behind me! Help me!
Zombies? They're not zombies. Aren't they your friends?
The Yellow Bus mistook all its mud-covered friends for zombies.
Yellow Bus, we all fell into the mud because of you.
Yeah, I was so startled when we fell off the bridge that I have hiccups.
We could have been badly hurt. I want to go home.
Yellow Bus, you're driving your friends around, so you need to be safe and be brave. If not, everyone can get badly hurt.
Yes, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, everyone. I want to keep driving with my friends, but I get scared so easily.
The Yellow Bus was feeling down. Pinkfong saw this and suddenly came up with a great idea.
I have an idea. Hoi poi Pinkfong! When you're feeling scared, turn on a song. Then you'll be able to drive bravely.
Wow, that's awesome!
Thanks, Pinkfong. Sorry, everyone. I'll drive bravely from now on. Sorry for the trouble, Mr. Police Car. It won't happen again.
The Yellow Bus is happily giving friends a ride through town again today.
Hi, Rex! You're in a good mood today?
Yeah, I just bought a bunch of delicious fruit.
Oh, there's a small rock up ahead. Will the Yellow Bus get scared again?
Oh, it's okay. I'm not a scaredy cat anymore.
Phew, what a relief!
Oh, should we sing a song together?
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
How brave of the Yellow Bus! The Yellow Bus still gets a little scared once in a while, but sings and drives bravely for all its friends.
Hey guys! Did you like our video? Don't forget to click subscribe! Search for Pinkfong on YouTube!